This is Dabu7. Have to share with you guys this amazing image. It was passed along to me from Tronic, and we've seen this before in the past. And as you can tell, it's out there in space. It's not a filament. It's not something on the lens. It's not a bird. It's not bugs and all this other crap that people want to make up all the time. And all the other objects that are zipping around the sun, if you play this, you see all that? See all that? What is it? What are they? Is that rocks? Is that ice? If so, how come it's not being pulled toward the sun like a comet? Answer me that. You can't. Because they're not rocks. They're not ice. They're craft. And it's in my belief that's exactly what you're looking at. And the small minds of human beings here on this planet will never be able to wrap their head around it. Now, if you're awakened, you have no problem seeing it. It still boggles someone's mind how something so massive could be out there around the sun and not attracted to it. There's thousands of these objects, and one just so happens to come right around the sun and just decides to bank a curve right around it. And you can see its trail, which is amazing. And it thickens out, flattens out as it continues to go by. But this is an amazing shot that they let slip through. This is not a comet. This is not anything that NASA would normally try to write off and say, oh, it's this or that. Now, if you take this to them, they will, as they always do, give you a weak excuse. You have to ask yourself, if you take 1,000 questions to NASA and they write every one of them off, and you know that there's something going on out there, what does that tell you? You're being lied to. So, for what it's worth, people can debate. They can say this, they can say that. It's a killer shot. Wanted to share it with you. You may never know exactly what it is. One thing's for sure, there's a lot going on out there that they don't want you to know about. Unless you go looking, you're never going to find it or see it. I'll leave a link. This has been Dabu7. Eyes to the skies.